Loc fam, and welcome back. Today, we are peeling back the layers on one of the most critical steps in a successful Sisterlocks or MicroLocs installation, the perfect grid. Think of your Loc Grid as the architectural blueprint for your entire Loc journey. It dictates how your Locs will lay, how they will be styled, and ultimately how your hair will mature. The goal isn't just neatness for the first week. It's about structural integrity that lasts a lifetime. A perfect grid is the key to longevity, comfort, and most importantly, versatility. So, what exactly is a grid? It's the predetermined pattern of your scalp's sectioning. It ensures uniform size, even distribution of weight, and prevents the locks from merging at the roots. Ignoring the grid or settling for slopey sections is a mistake that can lead to thinning, tension, and very limited styling options down the road. There are generally three main patterns: square, diamond, and the brick lay pattern. The brick lay, which staggers the parts like bricks on a wall, is the most common for micro and Sisterlocks because it allows for maximum coverage and minimizes the visibility of the scalp, especially as the locks grow out. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of achieving that perfection. Tip number 1, preparation is everything. Start with freshly washed and detangled hair. Tangles are the enemy of perfect parts. Next, section the hair into large manageable quadrants. Work on one quadrant at a time, keeping the others clipped neatly away. Tip number 2, master the tool. Your best friend is a metal rat tail comb. The thin, sharp end allows for razor-sharp lines. When patterned, don't just drag the comb. Use a small, firm motion, almost like drawing a line with a pen, going all the way down to the scalp. Pattern needs to be precise and not rushed. Tip number 3, focus on uniformity. The size of each section is crucial and should be based on the client's hair density and desired lock count. For Sisterlocks or MicroLocs, we typically aim for small, 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch sections. Visually check the first row of locks against the second. They should be nearly identical in size. If they look uneven now, they will look more uneven as they mature. And that's it for our tips. All right. Now, understanding the concept of the grid also involves hair density. For low density hair, where the scalp is easily visible, you might choose slightly smaller sections to increase in the lock count, giving an illusion of more volume later. For high-density hair, you have more flexibility, but you must still ensure that the sections are small enough to create the true micro size without being so small that they can cause tension. Also, be mindful of the perimeter. The front hairline and nape are also the most fragile areas. It's always best practice to create slightly larger sections along the perimeter. This provides a buffer to minimize the traction, alopecia, and hair loss from styling. A perfect grid protects the hair by distributing the weight and tension evenly across the scalp. Remember, the first few rows you install sets the standard for the entire head. So, take your time. Don't rush the foundation. It might seem tedious, but the meticulous process is what separates a good lock install from a truly perfect one. You are investing in a lifetime of style and ease, and the grid is the down payment. If you're tackling your own DIY installation, or if you're a Loctician looking to step up your game, these grid principles are essential. We hope these tips help you to achieve the lock foundation of your dreams. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown of how to get that perfect grid for your lock installation, please hit the like button and subscribe for more lock care and installation videos. Don't forget to share, drop a comment, let us know where you're watching from, and let us know if you have locks already or if you desire to have locks soon.